Mexico. Just hearing the name makes you think of sun-soaked beaches, ancient ruins, and a culture bursting with life. It's a place where history and modern vibes mix to create unforgettable experiences. This isn't just a trip, it's an adventure waiting to unfold. Every corner of Mexico has a new story, a new thrill, and a new memory just for you. From the lively heart of Mexico City, with its rich history and modern charm, to the peaceful beaches of Tulum, where the crystal-clear waters are calling your name, Mexico offers a rainbow of experiences for every traveler. The variety of its landscapes is only matched by the richness of its culture. Whether you're a history buff dreaming of ancient pyramids and the secrets of the Mayan civilization, a foodie eager to dive into spicy mole and other traditional dishes that tell Mexico's culinary story, or a beach lover craving turquoise waters and endless sunshine, Mexico has something for you. The country's attractions are as varied as they are numerous, ensuring every traveler finds their own slice of paradise. This 10-day itinerary will be your ultimate guide to the best of Mexico. From bustling cities to serene beaches, we've got it all. Get ready to be enchanted. The magic of Mexico isn't just in its sights, but in its spirit. Mexico is more than just picture-perfect postcards. It's the everyday moments, the authentic experiences that make it truly special. It's the warmth of the people, their hospitality, and their genuine smiles that make you feel right at home. It's the rhythm of the music that fills the air, inviting you to dance and celebrate life, and the explosion of flavors in every bite. Each dish is a journey in itself, a testament to Mexico's rich culinary traditions. So, pack your bags, grab your sombrero, optional, but totally fun, and get ready for an adventure like no other. Let's dive into an unforgettable journey to the heart of Mexico. Your adventure awaits, filled with endless possibilities and unforgettable moments. Your Mexican adventure begins in the vibrant metropolis of Mexico City, a city that never sleeps and is always buzzing with energy. Don't be intimidated by its size. This city has a rhythm all its own, and you'll quickly fall into step. From the bustling markets to the serene parks, there's something for everyone. Start your journey back in time at Teotihuacán, an awe-inspiring archaeological site just outside the city. This ancient city, once a thriving metropolis, holds secrets of civilizations long past. Climb the Pyramid of the Sun for breathtaking views and feel the energy of this ancient city. Imagine the lives of those who once walked these paths and built these monumental structures. Back in the city center, wander through the Zocalo, the heart of Mexico City, and soak up the history at the Palacio Nacional with its Diego Rivera murals. The square is a melting pot of culture, history, and modern life. No trip to Mexico City is complete without a visit to the Frida Kahlo Museum. This museum, also known as La Casa Azul, is a tribute to one of Mexico's most beloved artists. This vibrant blue house, where Frida was born and lived, offers a glimpse into the life and art of this iconic artist. Each room tells a story, and each piece of art reflects her passion and pain. In the evening, treat yourself to a taste of luxury at the Gran Hotel Ciudad de Mexico. This historic hotel is not just a place to stay, but an experience in itself. Its stunning stained glass ceiling and Art Nouveau architecture will make you feel like royalty. Enjoy a meal at the rooftop restaurant and take in the panoramic views of the city as you dine in style. Next stop, Oaxaca. This charming city, nestled in the heart of southern Mexico, is a feast for the senses. Here, ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, creating a unique and captivating atmosphere. Explore the ancient Zapotec ruins of Monte Alban, perched high on a hilltop overlooking the city. The views alone are worth the trip. Then prepare to be amazed by the petrified waterfalls of Girve el Agua. These natural wonders, formed over thousands of years, are a sight to behold. But the real star of Oaxaca is the food. Head to Mercado 20 de Noviembre, a foodie paradise where you can sample traditional Oaxacan dishes like tlayudas, mole negro, and tejate. For a touch of luxury, check into the Quinta Real Oaxaca, a converted 16th century monastery that oozes history and charm. Today we journey to the Yucatan Peninsula, home to ancient Mayan ruins, colonial cities, and stunning cenotes. Our first stop is Merida, a city known for its colorful architecture and laid-back charm. Stroll down Paseo de Montejo, Merida's grand boulevard, and admire the elegant mansions built during the city's heyday. Then, step back in time at the Uxmal archaeological site. This Mayan city, with its intricate carvings and towering structures, is a testament to the ingenuity of the Mayan civilization. In the evening, Indulge in some chocolate heaven at the Rosas and Zocolate Hotel. This stylish hotel, with its pink facade and chocolate-themed decor, is a sweet treat for the senses. Section 5, Day 6, Chichen Itza and Valladolid, Cenotes and Colonial Wonders. Get ready for a day filled with Mayan history and natural wonders. Our first stop is Chichen Itza, one of the most famous archaeological sites in Mexico. Marvel at the iconic pyramid of Kukulkan and learn about the fascinating Mayan calendar and astronomical knowledge. Afterward, cool off with a dip in the Ixquil Cenote, a natural sinkhole with crystal-clear waters. These cenotes, considered sacred by the Mayans, are a refreshing escape from the Yucatan heat. Continue to Valladolid, a charming colonial town known for its colorful streets and relaxed atmosphere. Enjoy a traditional Yucatan lunch in the town square and soak up the local culture. For a unique stay, check into Casa Hamaca, a charming hotel with a cenote right in the backyard. Section 6. Days 7 and 8, Tulum, Bohemian vibes and turquoise dreams. Prepare to be enchanted by Tulum, a bohemian paradise on the Caribbean coast. This laid-back town with its eco-chic vibes and stunning beaches is the perfect place to unwind and soak up the sun. Explore the Tulum ruins, perched dramatically on a cliff overlooking the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. Then, escape the crowds and discover the natural beauty of the Cenotes Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site teeming with wildlife. Cool off with a swim in the Grand Cenote, another of the Yucatan's many stunning cenotes. For a luxurious stay, check into Habitas Tulum, an eco-friendly hotel nestled in the jungle just steps from the beach. Enjoy yoga classes, spa treatments, and breathtaking views of the Caribbean Sea. Section 7, Days 9 to 10, Riviera Maya and Cozumel. Dive in, paradise found. Your final days in Mexico are all about relaxation and adventure. Whether you prefer lounging on the beach or seeking thrilling underwater experiences, Riviera Maya and Cozumel have it all. Explore the Riviera Maya, a stunning stretch of coastline known for its luxurious resorts, world-class diving, and pristine beaches. Here, you can unwind in style and soak up the sun. Dive into the underwater wonderland of Palancar Reef, one of the largest barrier reefs in the world. This vibrant reef is teeming with marine life and offers an unforgettable diving experience. Swim alongside colorful fish, graceful rays, and majestic sea turtles. The crystal-clear waters provide perfect visibility to witness the beauty of the underwater world. Back on land, relax on the powdery white sands of Expuja Beach, a secluded paradise perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and simply enjoying the view. This tranquil spot is ideal for unwinding and taking in the natural beauty. For a luxurious end to your Mexican adventure, treat yourself to a stay at the Banyan Tree Mayacoba. This resort offers an unparalleled experience with its exquisite amenities and serene environment. This luxurious resort, with its private villas, overwater bungalows, and world-class amenities, is the perfect place to relax and reflect on your unforgettable journey through Mexico. Indulge in spa treatments, gourmet dining, and the ultimate in comfort and relaxation. Section 8, When to Go, Chasing Sunshine and Avoiding the Crowds. Mexico is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit depends on your priorities. Here's a quick guide. November to April is peak season with sunny skies, warm temperatures, and larger crowds. Book accommodations and tours in advance, especially during holidays. May to June is shoulder season, offering a sweet spot with pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and often better deals on accommodations. July to October is rainy season with higher humidity and the possibility of hurricanes. However, this is also the greenest time of year, and you'll find lower prices and fewer tourists. No matter when you choose to visit, be sure to pack for a variety of weather conditions, especially if you're traveling to different regions of Mexico. Section 9, Essential Tips. Your Mexican adventure starts here. Ready to pack your bags? Here are a few final tips to make your trip to Mexico smooth and enjoyable. To avoid the crowds, try visiting popular sites early in the morning or late in the afternoon. Mexico's weather can be unpredictable, so pack layers and be prepared for anything. Embrace the local culture by learning a few basic Spanish phrases, trying the local cuisine, and attending cultural events. Book accommodations and tours in advance, especially during peak season. Mexico offers a variety of transportation options, from affordable buses to domestic flights. Consult your doctor about necessary vaccinations and health precautions before traveling to Mexico. Remember, the most important tip is to relax, embrace the unexpected, and enjoy the journey. Section 10. Vámonos. Mexico awaits. Mexico is a country that will captivate your senses and stay with you long after you've returned home. From ancient ruins to vibrant cities, stunning beaches to delicious cuisine, Mexico offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will leave you wanting more. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Mexican adventure today. With its warm hospitality, rich culture, and breathtaking beauty, Mexico is a destination that will steal your heart. Buen viaje!